In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your CV on Indeed. So the first step is to simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you're gonna have to simply go to profile. Now once you get here, what we're gonna have to do is simply select the first option and then click on save, and then we're gonna have to simply click on upload resume, and here we're gonna have to select our PDF document and then simply click on open. Now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and basically that's all we have to do in order to upload our CV. So as you can see, I have my CV here. This is a template. So simply click on upload this resume, and that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.